Now we should start streaming. Let's see what happens. There we go. We're up and live, guys. There we go on YouTube. All right. Now, right now, okay. I mean, my top stock to watch is PTGX right out of the gate. FDA lifts clinical hold on rusfertide trials. So I'm not too sure. And then we have FLXN. Therapeutics agree to be acquired by another company. TRVX. Rise 34 pre-market after company filed Friday to withdraw its offering of shares. EZFL. More than triple size full of fuel delivery. Okay, so they were getting more bigger orders. I want BTGX. This is my top stock to watch right now, right out of the gate. We have a nice downtrend on the play. A really nice downtrend on the play. We're around 30 minutes left. I'd like to see a nice double downtrend break and then kind of pull back a little bit more and hold 33. Good morning. How are you, my man? How are you right now? You know, the market is looking like we're going to pick up. FAMI. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Guys, right now, if you're in Tesla, I would consider selling Tesla. I think if Tesla does not break, FAMI is super choppy. I'm not a fan of the price action at all. I'm not even going to try to say where it's going to go. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's just way too choppy. But if you're looking at Tesla, Tesla's on a rising wedge. We have been consolidating. We've had selling climax or buying a selling climax. If we do not break $800 on Tesla, we are going to come down. I can look at FAMI again for you, and again actually. But if we do not break $800 on Tesla this week, or then in the very few days, we're going to break 775, and we are going to come all the way back down to 700. I could see it. 726 to 700 for TSLA. FAMI. Decreasing volume yesterday, which is what we want to see. I want to see a bullish reaction. As long as we don't break 30 cents, I'm bullish. If we come down a little bit more, bounce and not break 30, then we have a double bottom and we can go higher. Alrighty, you're looking to hold for $1. Thank you for the follow. Oh man, that would be great if you did. We got someone also CEI is. I'm deleting that off the watch list because fuck CEI. I am watching PROG for a potential falling wedge break. I think I'm gonna start scaling into this because I think this is room all the way back to $30. See, I made profit, but I'm out of it now. Yeah. Hey, good. I'm glad it made you profit, but I'm glad you took your profits as well and not let it sit there. It is going to be a good day. We got PTGX right now, our top gainer, and it's whew. All right. Okay. That's what I'm looking for, guys. I hopped in the shower today and I nailed my shin on the fucking. There's a little thing that sticks out for your for like soap and shit, and I nailed it with my shin. Zoom. Is that just ZM? Yeah, that's ZM. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you. We're at 60 likes right now. Let's try to get to 500 likes this stream. All right, ZM. I was looking to catch a falling wedge out of it a couple days ago, and then when it gapped up and ran up to 274, I did sell my calls because I was up in the green. And I figured, okay, Zoom's not going to change, not going to run if the market's not running. Thank you guys for the likes. And we could see a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern. If we break over 260 and then hold 260, then we have an inverse head and shoulders pattern. With this, we have, it would give us a target of around 290 if this does hold the pattern. And then we got TONR. Oh, that was weird. Okay, this is a penny. We're flagging, pulling up flag. Now we have decreasing volume. What we want to see is this not break the 008. But if we break with increasing volume, 0 or 1 cent basically, or 1.2 cents, we have room back up to 1.3 and then break that 1.3. We're gonna find a resistance at 1.5 and then 2 cents. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you for the likes. We're at 500 likes now. Woohoo! Awesome. We go SKLZ. I'll look at EXLA in a sec here. You don't want to catch a falling knife on SKLZ. You got to wait for a potential bottom here. This is the lowest it's been. So I don't see it kind of stopping. I mean, we have some mental resistance at 5. We have at each whole dollar, we have some mental support, excuse me. So you just got to wait for a potential reversal. And then we have XELA. Do we have a downtrend to break? I want to see it come up, touch the downtrend with a double bottom, as long as we don't break, or the double bottom, but we do have a gap to fill at 150. So we do have to fill this gap at 150, which is pretty close. And then we could break that downtrend with room back up to 220 and then 275 for XELA. Thanks. No problem. Thank you guys for the likes. Man, we're all the way up at 800 likes now. Thank you guys. Thank you. And yeah, if you guys let me know how I can provide some value to you. I just want to provide free value to you. That's it. That's all I want to do. I'm going to be posting a crypto update on YouTube and on TikTok today. Every Monday I'll post that so you guys can stay up to date. And then IGC, I'll look at it. I'm also going to be posting on Wednesdays. I'm going to be doing lessons on YouTube and on TikTok. And then on Fridays, I'm doing stocks to watch. So I'm looking at IGC here right now, which is kind of dying off. As long as we don't break 136, I'm bullish. But the volume's too small for me to even see what's going on here. And the volume's just very, very... the price... Oh, sorry. Hey, Grossview. I can look at those in a sec. Sorry, my man. No, it doesn't seem like I have anybody in. So, let's go look at KLPT. Oh, we're at 1,000 likes. Thank you. KLPT. I can't find that ticker. Is it KPLT? It might be KPLT. I think KPLT. If it is, I'm doing KPLT. We have a gap to fill at $3.67. Come down that low. I want to see a double bottom, a larger double bottom on that first low at 310. Then with a higher low, then we have room back up to potentially 587 and then 767 for KPLT. Now we have, let's go back and look at our watch list and see what's going on. Okay, guys, right now, PTGX is kind of looking like it's pretty good. It's definitely what I want to see. I mean, I really like how this is looking, just because I think we can easily rip to the upside today. Let's go and look at PTGX. Last time it gaps up significantly. Gaps up, runs, hold its profits. Gaps up, runs, hold its profits, but not too much. Gaps up, holds it. Gaps up, runs, and gives almost all of it back. So right now, I think this is more of a history of gapping up and running. Plus, we have like no resistance. If we break over 36.75, we have no resistance till $44. And that right there is 16, 18%, and I'm going to try to catch that. So we're going to see how it works. I mean, I would only get like 60 or so shares, but 60 times 7, that's a good amount of money. Let's go and check our scanners again. So right now, we have FLXN, not really doing much. Not a fan of it right now. We have TRVI. Oh, man. Then we have EZFL pulling back, very high volume. So look for a double bottom. Look for a double bottom with room to break over. If we break over 450, where can we go? Break over 450 with room at 480. SNDL, let's look. Broke that trend line, but fell right back into it. Not a huge fan of that. Maybe as long as we don't break 60 cents now, because we could see a double bottom, I'm pretty much bullish. But we had a lot of volume yesterday or on Friday because we gapped up so much and people were looking to get out. So I don't think it. To me, it looks like we're going to break that 60 cent level. If we do, I think we have room down to 50 cents, which is unfortunate for SNDL, but. We got around 25 minutes left till market open. I really want to see this, I don't want to see this break yet. I do not want to see this break yet. Noticing me. Wish. Broke below the trend line, which is not what we want to see. Finding resistance, but we have very light volume. We might see a double bottom as long as we don't break 460. I'm bullish on the play. I think we have room back up to potentially 750. Break 750. We have a gap to fill at 945 for Wish. And how can it affect the PE growth? Dude, I'm going to be totally honest with you. I have no idea what the PE growth. I know it's like earnings or something like that, but I'm a day trader. I don't really look at that stuff. Yeah, I'm not the right person to ask for fundamental advice like that. And I'm not going to bullshit you like I know that stuff. I'm just going to be straight up with you guys. I don't know that. NAKD. I'm more of a charts. Stick to the charts, not to the fundamentals. We had a pivot low on, or not Friday, but Thursday and Wednesday. Thank you for the likes. We got a bearish reaction. I want to see us hold now 61. If we hold 61 cents, I think we could see it potentially come up to 70 and then 75. Maybe even a little bit higher for NAKD, but as long as we don't break 61 cents, then I'm bullish. And we got, I am looking at PROG. I'm looking to actually scale into the PROG. If you guys are looking at charts as well, if I'm looking at the daily from all the way back from July of last year, we've been in this falling wedge. So I think we're now starting to maybe find a bottom here. So I'm scaling into this position as it gets closer and closer. I'm actually going with call options for January 21st of next year. So I am looking for this to come back all the way up to $3 potentially. It's sitting at 135. So if it can double, that'd be awesome. AEHR. AEHR. Okay, that's good. It gapped up, held most of its profits. Break over 20. I mean, break over 20. We have room to 25 for AEHR. SPY. Let's look. Long in my bitch up, my bitch up, my bitch. We gapped up, which is nice, which is what I really want to see. And we held it, but now we're above the moving averages, so we could have an inverse head and shoulders pattern potentially, which is a bullish pattern. Again, I'll have to wait to see when new data comes in, but we are. I mean, there's nothing really crazy. It's super choppy right now. I'm waiting for it just to kind of pick a direction still. I'm not a huge fan that we crack this. I think, honestly, if we can hold, if we break back below this low, we're coming all the way down to 400. Did you lose? No, I have not. It didn't see that you were popping in, so now I can pop in now. Let's go ahead and look at SOFI. Decreasing volume to the downside. Want to see that with a bullish, bullish reaction. Might see a gap and go here for SOFY. Watch it over 17 bucks. Over 17, we have room up to 18. Then we have MARA. MARA could be forming a nice cup and handle pattern so look to find resistance somewhere around 45 and then a slight pullback. And if you you don't want it to pull back below the 50% level, so you want to pull back to this previous low or this high right here. So look for a pullback and then for it not to break this on a cup and handle. Hey, how you doing? Just Grim. What's up? Looking to make some money today. Looking to have a great day. Not even make some money. I'm just looking to make great trades. You know, they might not go in my direction, but I know I make great trades. So what can you do about it? You have no idea if they're going to go in your way or not. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Same on TikTok. I hope all of you guys are having a wonderful day. Right now we are looking at XPEV. Let's go ahead and delete these old trend lines. I don't know what that is. I mean, we kind of have trend line on the play. We've one touch, two touch, three touch. Looking for the fourth touch here. Potential, maybe a double bottom with the break. Room back up to 42, 44, and then 45 potentially for XPEV. Then we have FUOR. Do not like what that was on Friday. I don't want to catch a falling knife, so we might have room down to 70. I just want to wait till potential bullish reversal pattern. SONN again, same here. Don't want to catch anything. We do have a gap to fill at 27.86. Wait for a potential reversal. I can look at CHK in a sec. We're looking at NU. What do you think about NURO? I love NURO. NURO, not for day trading because of this one day. It was getting some crazy days, so now it has like a reputation of like, okay, it's NURO. And traders are going to be watching it. But I mean, I really don't have any. Honestly, I don't want to catch a falling edge where it continues to come down. But I mean, if we break this previous low of 850, I mean, we have room down to $8 and then potentially even $7 or $6 for NURO. I don't know anything fundamental about it at all. But I do know that when it gets its low float and when traders get behind it, it moves. Bitch. Okay, here we go. I do like this PTGX, how it's setting up, because I do want to wait. Maybe the washout long with room back up over 36. SDC, let's look. STZ is at 660. We had about the same volume as yesterday, stopping volume. So I do expect a potential reversal today or over the next few days. So SDC, I'm not liking it right now. Okay, we have PROG, PTGT. Oh, again, this is what I'm watching. Boom, there's the crack with increasing volume. This is what I like to see. I want to get a better entry. I don't want to break 32 though. I don't want to break, or 33. Break 33, we're just gonna send it. Oh man. But it's falling quick. That means it can move just as quick. So. CHK. Oh, I dart. Break over 67. We have room up to 70. But I mean, there's nothing really crazy that's like saying bullish or bearish. We have decreasing volume yesterday, so we might see a bearish reaction. ECFL having a nice pullback. Let's see if it's following the fib levels. Bounced right off the 50. That's what we want to see. AEHR is super choppy pre-market. I'm not going to trade it pre-market. My top stock to watch right out of the gate is going to be PTGX. If I can get 60 shares, I'd be happy. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you. Right now, we're just kind of standing back, waiting on our hands. See, Shakira. Let's go ahead and get my all products. Let's get this kind of on my other window. I can see your body moving. All right, there we go. If we have October 15th, let's go with calls. $30 call. That's going to be up at wow, these are going to be up crazy. These are going to be up. These are right now sitting at 0 and $0.5. $5 a call option, and it moved up with the delta being at oh, why is that so low? Ugh. Oh, for puts, the implied volatility is stupid. Hey guys, there's that double bottom that I was looking for. See. Again, guys, now I'm looking for a washout long. with a potential reversal. First target's going to be 36 and then 37. Break over that 37 level. We have room all the way up to 30 or 43. I'm looking to hold this for a long time today. I'm looking to hold this for a long time today. I haven't really got a call option yet. I have to see when market opens to see what kind of here, let me go and pull it over so you can see. So I'm looking at like a $30 to $25 call. These are really, really cheap right now, but I am waiting for the market to open so these can update and see how much they're going to be. But then I'm looking for a potential $25 to $30 strike price for October 15th. How much experience? Okay, so a crow's view, if you're still here, Josh is talking about his friend saying that he's loading up on SOFI. Yes, it's PTGX. Can you not see my ticker? You cannot. Oh, you can. So you see that this quick chart? This is exactly what my main chart is. So if I switch, this switches. So you can always see what ticker I'm looking at from this FLXN. And I have my camera so big just because my account number is right there. So it's blocked, but still I don't want to, just in case I accidentally leave it unlocked and you guys can see it. It's just for my own protection. Right now it's PTGX. Yeah. That I'm watching. How much do I trade with right now? It really depends. Right now we're doing a small account challenge on an alpha, so I'm trading with $2,000 a day. Since I have a cash account, I have $4,000 in my account. So if you have 5K to invest it, what would you do? If I had 5K, if you're looking just to invest long term, I would throw 1,000 into Bitcoin, 1,000 into Ethereum, 1,000 into QNT, 1,000 into ICP, and 1,000 into XRP. So right now, today I'm watching with PTGX right out of the gate. That's my top stock to watch. And then I'm watching FLXN, and then TRVI, excuse me, and then EZFL. Excuse me. Thanks, man. No problem. No problem. You're watching my phone, so you can't see much. Yep. So I am watching PTGX right out of the gate. How about that? Would that make it better if I moved it like that? Does that help you out a lot? So you can see that. Let me know if that helps at all. Yo, how you doing, Ben? We haven't talked in a while. We have around 7 minutes till market open, guys. We're just sitting on our hands waiting it out. Thank you for the follow. Yes, that helps some. Awesome, awesome. I'll leave it like that then. I'm looking for a washout long here. Four minutes left, guys. Let's get ready. Let's get hyped. Around 4 minutes left, guys. Today we're making some money. Yes, we are. Woo! Let's make some money today. I'm actually going to start shifting my mindset to, instead of making money, let's make good trades. Because if you're chasing the money, you're going to lose more than you win. But if you chase only good trades, then the money will come to you. So, we're going to be making some great trades today. Let's see who's live. Add host. Around 2 minutes and 30 seconds left until market opens. Let's get ready. Oh, man. Watch list. Yes, I'm going to go through my watch list pretty quick, but if you want to see it, come over to the YouTube. We're watching PTGX, top stock to watch right out of the gate. Then we have FLXN, and we have TRVI, and EZFL, and AEHR. Those are the top stocks I'm watching right now, right out of the gate. So we have ADMS. I think this is the stock that ADMS that gapped up and just kind of stayed stagnant. No, yeah, it did. It stayed stagnant pretty much. I am going to add it though, just in case. We have ADMS. The volume's crazy. So let's go ahead and look at ADMS. We're sitting around $8. Alrighty, here we go. We're going to see a lot of volume popping over this downtrend. I want to see wash out down below 34, break below 34. You're going to be risking around $1. So I'm going to start a position. And then if I can start, then I'm going to be able to potentially get into. So we'll see. What are you looking to long? Have you located short for anything? No, nothing right now. Maybe Tesla. If Tesla breaks the rising wedge. But I am looking at a PTGX right out of the gate. Don't want to see that big run here. Want to see a small pullback here. Here it is. Here it is. I want to see a washout here. There it is. Don't want to break that level. Wow. A big rug pull. Big rug pull. Don't want to see it hold. Don't want to see it break that low today. I want to see this hold. I want to see this hold. Okay, oh wow, that call is back up at 330. So I'm not looking to buy anything yet. I want to see a potential reversal. Yep. Are you open to influencer deals? Where can I email you a proposal? Yeah, hey, actually, I do not trade futures. Yes, go ahead and actually message me on TikTok. My email should be in my bio if you hit that link, but if it's not there for some reason, go ahead and message me on TikTok. I think you can. And then I'll go ahead and actually give you a follow back, so just in case you don't have any problems messaging me. So, yeah, and then we can talk about something. PTGX, again, don't want to see PTGX break that low. There it is. Not a fan of it. PTGX, I want to see this have. Okay, we had a stopping volume. I'm going to go ahead and get in 20 shares here. Yep, broke over those. We have a pivot low now. I'm risking a low a day. Only went in with a third of my position. Made a pivot low. Yep. And then once I get more confidence in this, I'm going to add in scale into my position here. Right now I'm risking below 20 or 30, 32.76. I'm risking a low a day right now. So not a fan of it right now. We made a pivot high, but looks like buyers are trying to take control. And I'm out. It's okay. It's okay. Only winning with a third. It's all good. I am looking to buy, PTGX. It's getting back up. Let's go ahead and look through our watch list. If LXN. Um, I'm risking now around 50 cents. I'm going to go ahead and enter again with a third of my position. Again, stops are below low a day. Boom, there's the move. Boom. There was the move. There was the move higher. We want to see this continue to move higher. I'm in with yeah, once we break over the open for PTGX, we're going to see a lot of volume start to step in. Stops to be below 33. Not a fan of this price action. I'm looking forward just to pop back up to our entry potentially here. I'm not a fan of it. I want to see this close back above the 90 EMA, above 3350. Looks like we are going to break a low a day, and that was a false move to the upside, which is unfortunate. I still have my position long on the play. Might see a double bottom here. We have some volume with the doji candle. I want to see a lot of buyers start to step in the times in sale. Okay, we have some sellers, big buyers. Yep, come on, break over that 3350 level. Break over that 3350 level. I know you want to. There it is. We have a pivot low. Here we go. Here we go. We want to see this start to move here. We want to see increasing volume today, but we have decreasing volume, which is what I don't want to see, really. SNDL is moving up today, ripping to the upside. Don't like that. We're just getting rejected off VWAP. People are looking to sell at VWAP. I don't like that at all. When you see this close above the 90 EMA, boom, there it is. We're above the 90 EMA now. Let's see if buyers can continue to take it long. We have a nice red to green move potentially forming. My entry's at 33.57. And it's just dumping. Don't like to see that at all. Very light volume, though. My stop's still at 32.61, 32.64. A new low a day is my stop. And we're just dumping off, which is what I don't want to see. Still above that $33 level. Thank you. I want to see a lighter volume. I don't want to see this crack. I want to see this hold. And if I want to see volume start, I want to see this hold. And I want to see a lot of volume start to step in with buyers, bring it over that trend line. Don't like that. We've decreasing volume though. There we go. Back to a doji candle. Hammer candle right now. If we break over VWAP, I'm moving my stop to break even. I want to see a bullish reaction. We're seeing a bearish reaction though. A lot of movers today. Oh yeah, there we are. There is the move from PTGX. But again, we're just moving up and then getting rejected, moving up and then getting rejected, moving up, getting rejected. I'm out. It's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. So I am going to go ahead and end the live streams. I'm going to keep them exclusive to Alpha Day Trading. Let's get it, Bucko, 100%. But I am ending it so Alpha Day Trading can continue to get the live stream. But anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping in. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's make some money tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good one.